हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्कार। आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं नेटवर्क के टॉप 15 क्वेश्चंस जो डिफरेंट एग्ज़ाम में पूछे जा चुके हैं और इनके आगे पूछे जाने की भी पूरी संभावना है। तो चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस। फर्स्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन इज द SI यूनिट ऑफ द कंडक्टिविटी इज mho per meters. We know that the resistance. What is the resistance? Resistance or rho is equal to L upon A. But we know the conductivity. What is the conductivity? Conductivity 1 upon resistivity. So the correct unit of conductivity is mho per meter. Second question, for ideal current source the internal resistance is, for ideal current source the internal resistance is infinite and connected in the parallel. For ideal current source provide constant current in respect to the load. Second question, Ohm's law is applicable to the Ohm's law. Ohm's law is, what is the Ohm's law? V is directly proportional to I. When we remove this sign, so then it's become I into R. R is the constant is called the resistance. The Ohm's law is defined only for the conductors. So it's applicable only for the metallic conductors. For insulator and semiconductors, it's not applicable for the insulator, semiconductor, and electrolyte. Second question, resistance of a conductor is directly proportional. We know simple formula. What is the resistance? Resistance is a simple formula. R is equal to rho L upon A. Rho L upon A, where resistance is directly proportional to its length and inversely proportional to its area. So the correct answer is A. Fifth question, conventional flow of electric current. So conventional current is flow from positive to negative terminal. Electric current is flow from positive terminal to negative. It flow the higher potential to the lower potentials. So chata questions, what is the correct formula? What is the active power? We know that the complex power S is equal to P plus JQ, where P is the active power and Q is the reactive power. P is also known as P is equal to VI into cos phi, and Q is equal to I sin phi. Sorry, Q is equal to V into I sin phi. And we note the active power is measured in watt, when Q reactive power is measured in VAR. So and then we know that P is equal to V into I, where we put, if V is equal to, we know that V is equal to IR. Then where is P put V is equal to IR, then it becomes I square into R. And also if we put I is equal to V upon R, so then it becomes V square upon R. So the correct answer is all. What is the electric charge is equal to? Seventh question is electric charge is equal to, we know that Q is equal to IT. So the correct answer is A. Unit of electric charge. Unit of electric charge, we know that Q is equal to IT. Unit of electric charge is coulomb. So correct answer of inductance, and where the farad is unit of capacitance. Unit of reactive power. What is the unit of reactive power? We know that reactive power Q is equal to VI sin phi, and its unit is VAR. When we know that true power is VI cos phi, its unit is watt, and the apparent power is V into I, is the unit of VA. We know that the S is complex power, या apparent power is equal to P plus JQ. So the correct answer is C. 1 kilowatt hours is equal to 1 kilowatts. 1 kilowatts, we know that 1 kilowatt is 1000, and we know that 1 horse में 60 मिनट्स होते हैं एंड 60 सेकेंड होता है, तो इट बिकम्स 3600. सो इज total is become 3.6 megajoule. The correct answer is A. 1 joule of electric energy is equal to P into T. So E energy is measured in joule, P is measured in watt, and T is measured in second. So 1 joule is equal to 1 watt per second. The correct answer is A. For ideal voltage source in one is one which for ideal voltage source is one which has zero internal resistance. For ideal voltmeter has a infinite resistance. 1 kilowatt hours 1 kilowatt hours is equal to how many calorie approximately? So 1 kilo hours, we know that 1 kilowatt hours is equal to 3600 kilojoules, and 1 kilocalorie is equal to 4.18. The total is become 86.42 approximately. The correct answer is C. The Ohm's law is not valid for. We know that the Ohm's law. What is the Ohm's law? Ohm's law is equal to IR. Is valid voltage and current has the linear relationship. Then resistance are parallel is also linear relationship. Resistance connected in series is also a linear relationship. Linear inductor is also a relationship. But Zener diodes, if we see the characteristics of the Zener diode, it's become some type this. So that's why it's not valid for Ohm's law. The correct answer is D. In the register with silver color band, the tolerance is for the silver color band. The tolerance is for when we measure the resistance. In this the gold के लिए हम लेते हैं 5%, silver के लिए लेते हैं हम 10%, and there is no color, then we taken is 20%. So thank you for watching. This all question is very important for upcoming exams. So please subscribe our channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.